Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 26th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the dollar CAD, I still think this first 5 waves up ending right here is a wave, 5 waves of A. I think this is likely an A, B, C of wave B, which I think will go down and take out both of these lows before it potentially makes another attempt to go up. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I personally still think this is a wave A. Very, very nice 5 waves down. I think this is 1, 2, 3 waves up for a wave B. And I think this is very, very likely going down for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C, which is the wave C of wave B that I showed on the monthly time frame. So taking it all the way down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I was originally thinking this move up because it looks more like a trend was going to be like a wave A of wave 2, but boy, it just kept on going down. So most likely it really is the end of a wave 2. We do have a little bit of a bounce right here, probably because it just took out those lows, but I think there's a very, very good likelihood that it will keep on going down. I think we're already in that wave 3 of wave C, which is a wave C of wave B. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we do have a pretty solid bounce as you can see, but we have no breaker structure, no real reason at all on any time frame to think that this trend is not going to continue down. So, I mean, I'm definitely still very, very bearish. I mean, I would like to see 3 waves up and then pulse it down to go short. So I'm kind of interested to see what the news does today. Maybe it will pop up a little bit to make more of a proper A, B, C correction, then end up continuing the downtrend after that. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move down right here. This move up definitely looks like a trend. But this move up over here definitely looked like a trend too, and it just kept on trending down from there. So I always trade with the higher time frame trends. The 4 hour, the daily, the weekly, and the monthly are all in a downtrend. So I'm definitely hyper focused on looking for sorts. Now, to me, with Elliot wave eyes, it does kind of look like it might pop up to make a more proper looking ABC correction. If it does do that, I will ignore the long opportunity because I'm definitely looking for sorts. I'm looking for 3 waves up. I'm looking for a Fibonacci bounce to go short again for the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.